Hello, my name is Carlos Santella, and this is the video for the Roomba Activity. And I just want to show uh, the all the process that are involved in these stations. And first of all, here I have some materials that are required for construct the Roomba. That is like a device that allows to clean your house. And for example, here I have a source that is uh, developing uh, plastic, and is the same for each of these three sources. Later, the robot pick and place each of the pieces for transport. The first one for the station that is called injection modeling. It weighs maybe 10 minutes, as we can see. And the other one are transferred to a conveyor that later are put into a buffer for storage all the material that are uh, developing the source. Later, I put other pick and place for recollect the injection molding and transfer into a conveyor, and later transfer all of this one into a assembly station that we all the parts are joined in only one. And for example, we can see that here I have some predecessors that, for example, uh, the the Roomba will have uh, four wheels, three. The tree is the path, and it's for the batteries, and only we'll have one battery, and later four for the four path, and we'll have eight sensors that it's uh, the four source. And actually it's just like this one, and later create a new part that is the Roomba, and later is transported by a robot that here he decide with a percentage. Here I put in exit the percentage of what is the scrap and what is the good element that will pass through the station, and with 80% of the scrap and uh, 20% of scrap and 80% of the material. Here later are boxes that I put that I need four boxes to one big box are uh, finalized, and later is connected to the drain that allows to the station finish the process. I will put in a slow time for you can see the process. As you can see, the robot can pick and place the, the material, and later put it into a buffer that only when the injection modeling arrives to the assembly station, there uh, you can require the sources. So I will put more time, more quickly, and as you can see, till now the process is working. Here the process works, and later the robot put into a box. And as you can see, all the process is working. For the report, we we put the most quickly time, and we can see that the train has 9 boxes. That it uh, it means that uh, it has four Roombas uh, into the boxes. So the Roombas are 30 seats, because you multiply 9 times 4, and you have 36 Roombas. And this is the scrap that is 9 that correspond each of these to maybe 80% this one and 20% this one. And for the other one, I just want to also prove the experiment manager. Here I have the inputs, and this is the output. Sorry, uh, bad works. Here is the outputs, and the other one is the input. And this is the times that I apply for create at least 100 tumbas, rumbas, sorry. And yeah, here I only put this one, and later I start the, the process. So it show a report that, as you can see here, is 40, 45, and if you multiply it, you have more than 100. Uh, and yeah, you have these values right here. For the report, I configured this station for create more than for create cycle, sorry, more than 500 that is recording the report. And yeah, in the other one is the same, only that I will show you how it is. And just right here we can see all the station where we have the workers that are working in the station, and these workers transport to these buffers, and these buffers supply the elements to this assembly. Later a worker come here and work just right here, and later it pass through this other station. And yeah, it's the same process, but it's with workers, and they need to transport the things. As you can see here, I will put uh, put time for for the process. It's not working because I need to put this one, and also maybe it not giving me the report, so I will put here, and it works. It will work. So as you can see, the workers are going to the workplace and later make his work. That is, first transport the things, and this one, for example, is working right here. That is the injection molding. And later, the other ones are only uh, waiting for the activity that they will do. For example, here are some, but later with the time that this buffer can supply, it works. So as you can see, just right there is working. And this one transported to this station, and later all the process is working. As I will put more time, and here other worker are uh, packaging the boxes. I will put more time for creating, and as you can see here is creating the the bots uh, as the same as each one, but it is with less time in the injection molding. Here are also a report that shows the drain source and drain, sorry, and the scrap of each of these, and I also do it for the the time, sorry, for create 500 Roombas in this station. So thank you so much. This is everything.